pic shows Bill Gates waiting in line to buy food at a restaurant. A picture shared by a former Microsoft employee shows the company's co-founder and the world's second richest person, Bill Gates, waiting in line to buy food at a fast food restaurant in the US. When you're worth about $100 billion, and stand in line for a burger, fries and Coke at Dick's like the rest of us, the former employee captioned the picture. Man creates 3D printed mouse with display keyboard fitted into it. A man has created a 3D printed mouse which has a color display and a slide-out keyboard fitted into it and works like a computer. It uses Raspberry Pi Zero-W development board with a single-core 1 GHz CPU with 512 MB RAM. The tiny computer also has features such as Bluetooth and Wireless LAN. Bill Gates praises Ayushman Bharat scheme, congratulates PM Modi, Microsoft co-founder and the world's second richest person, Bill Gates on Thursday. Prades's National Health Protection Scheme, or Ayushman Bharat scheme, on completing 100 days of its launch. It's great to see how many people have been reached by the program so far, PMO India, Gates tweeted. The free healthcare scheme recorded 685,000 beneficiaries in the first 100 days. 10-year challenge, user-made meme. We've no involvement. Facebook responding to the viral 10-year challenge, inspired by Facebook's Memories feature. The social media giant said, "The challenge is a user-generated meme that started on its own, without our involvement. It's evidence of the fun people have on Facebook. That's it," Facebook added. This comes after a report claimed that the challenge is a Facebook plot to collect facial recognition data.